Which northeast state have the highest literacy rate? Answer is D. Mizoram. What is the nickname of Northeast India? Answer is A. Seven Sisters. Which state is called the brother of the seven Northeast states? Answer is C. Sikkim. Which countries surrounded Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is D. All of the above. Where is Barak Valley Plain? Answer is D. Southern region of Assam. Charao is the traditional dance of which northeast state? Answer is D. Mizoram. The endangered tropical pitcher plant Nepenthes khasiana is found in? Answer is C. Meghalaya. Which type of rhino is commonly found in Kaziranga National Park, Assam? Answer is D. One-horned rhinoceros. Assam shares its border with how many states? Answer is D. 7. Where is the only Indian Institute of Technology IIT in Northeast located? Answer is A. Guwahati. What are the three states that get their statehood on 21st January 1972? Answer is C. Tripura, Meghalaya, and Manipur. From which northeastern state is Kiran Rijiju from? Answer is D. Arunachal Pradesh. Which city in Northeast is called the gateway to the Northeast? Answer is C. Guwahati. What is the literal meaning of Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is C. Land of Rising Sun. Which city is known as Scotland of the East in India? Answer is A. Shillong. Which region in India is more prone to earthquake? Answer is B. Northeastern region. Where is Lingpui Airport located? Answer is B. Mizoram. Where is Jampui Hills located? Answer is C. Tripura. The world's only floating national park, Keibul Lamjau National Park, is located in Dash. Answer is B. Manipur. The eighth state to join Northeast Council is? Answer is C. Sikkim. Kangleipak is the historic name of which state? Answer is D. Manipur. Where is the Hornbill Festival celebrated? Answer is A. Nagaland. Which is the largest and longest river in Northeast? Answer is B. Brahmaputra River. Where is the oldest oil refinery in India found? Answer is D. Digboi, Assam. Where is Nathula Pass located? Answer is A. Sikkim. What is the most populated state in the Northeast? Answer is B. Assam. Where is the famous Loktak Lake located in India? Answer is A. Manipur. What is the Sanskrit meaning of Meghalaya? Answer is C. The abode of clouds. Bhan Gui is an ethnic food of which state? Answer is D. Tripura. Tawang Monastery, which is the largest monastery in India, is located in Dash. Answer is C. Arunachal Pradesh.